How to fix Roblox error code 533. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you steps on how you can fix error code 533 in Roblox. In order to fix it, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, first of all, you can just go ahead and make some changes in your account. So for that, open up a browser and then log in into your Roblox account. So type in roblox.com. So once you're logged into your Roblox account, this is how the interface is going to look like. Right on this page, tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side corner, go to settings. After that, it's going to take you to the settings page. So right on this page, go to painter control from the left hand side bar. After that, make sure that you disable painter pin, and after that, make sure that you have selected that you're above 13, that you're above 17 plus. So after you've done that, you can just log out of your Roblox account, and that might be able to fix the issue. If this is not working, what else you can do is you can also go ahead and restart your PC. So for that, you can just go to the Windows tab, the reboot button right in the bottom, and click on the shutdown button. Once you've done that, this might be able to fix the issue. If nothing seems to be working, then you can also run this application as an administrator. So for that, you need to open up the Windows tab. Once again, type in Roblox in the search bar. After that, you need to, when you find or locate Roblox, right click on your mouse, click on show more button, and go to properties. Once you've done that, you'll need to go to compatibility and make sure that you mark on run this program as administrator. Click on the apply button and then click on the OK button. As soon as you've done that, re-log in into your Roblox account, and this might be able to fix your issue. If nothing seems to be working, then you can simply uninstall your Roblox application. Once again, reinstall it and log in into your account. That might be able to solve the issue. If this is also not working, then you can try contacting the support team and then look into your matter. So these were some of the method on how you can fix your Roblox error code 533. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.